Apple just dropped the iPhone Special Edition for $599, and the internet is completely divided. Some are excited to finally see a more affordable iPhone, while others are disappointed, calling it just another recycled design with no real innovation. So, where do you stand? Are you on Team Yes, a budget iPhone at last, or Team Apple, you can do better? Share your thoughts in the comments. Meanwhile, Samsung is gearing up to launch the Galaxy A56 5G, and we've just gotten our first look at live images of the device. Unlike the flagship S series, the A56 brings back a familiar yet refreshed camera design. Honestly, it feels like a breath of fresh air, something different from the usual, making the phone stand out. It's an interesting contrast to Apple's approach with the iPhone 16e. The Galaxy A56 has already been spotted in certification listings, signaling an imminent launch. And unlike Apple's iPhone 16e, Samsung isn't just reusing old designs, it's bringing real hardware upgrades. Plus, the A56 will ship with One UI 7.0, Samsung's latest software update. It's fascinating to see how Apple and Samsung are handling their mid-range phones. Apple seems to be playing it safe by sticking to the same old design for the iPhone 16e, leaving some fans underwhelmed. On the other hand, Samsung is making noticeable changes with the A56, offering a fresh look and meaningful improvements, all while keeping it budget-friendly. Samsung is working on 3 new Galaxy A series phones: the Galaxy A56, Galaxy A36, and Galaxy A26. These phones have already been spotted on certification websites and benchmarking platforms, and we've heard some leaks and rumors about their designs and features. Recently, Samsung confirmed the Galaxy A26 by making its support page live. However, there was no official confirmation for the A56 and A36. Now Samsung has listed all 3 phones on its official website. We found the Galaxy A56, A36, and 26 on a page for out-of-warranty repairs on Samsung's website in Chile. The page includes the retail names and model numbers of these phones, which confirms that Samsung will launch them in Chile soon. Since Samsung listed all 3 phones at the same time, it's likely they will launch together, similar to how the Galaxy A55 and A35 were released together. Rumors suggest they could be launched next month. The page also shows the price for screen replacements on other Galaxy phones, but it doesn't mention the cost for screen repairs on the A56, A36, and A26 because they haven't been launched yet. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.